Hello YouTube friends and family. Well, now we're going to solder jump rings for the Foxtail necklace. I've got some more right here made up too into a coil. And this is what it's looking like right now so far. Stiff, pretty stiff still. So anyway, enough of that, let's get the solder. Using soldering paste on all this, make it a lot easier. Doesn't smell very good. Don't want to breathe all that in. On the next video, I'll show you me actually making the necklace. Stretching all these rings out, bending them in half, then bending them in half again, and weaving them through the chain. Very easy to melt these rings. On the first section right there, or second section right here, we got one that didn't turn out so good. You go back in the melting pot. Try to keep the heat as even as possible on these little rings without melting them. It's really hard. We lost one in that row too. I don't like that one right there. Let's go back to the melting pot also. All right, last row. Lost one right there too. Solder on that one. That's not good right there. Let's solder those ones together. Not good. Bam. I gotta pickle them all. Yeah, not too bad. We lost like 3 or 4 rings out of the whole deal. Not too bad though. Well, anyway, well, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, thumbs down, share it out if you want to. And so the next thing will be pickling it and then stretching all the rings out. And I'll start weaving the thing in and showing you guys that next process. We go.